Why do you get cold every now and then? Why do you feel tired most of the time? Because of your weak immune system. What you do when you catch cold? In this video, I am going to share with you 4 simple ways to boost your immune system naturally. Stay tuned. Do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest video update. There is no medicine available to boost your immune system. It can be boosted naturally. Immune system protect our body from infections such as bacteria, viruses, fungi and toxins. Here 4 simple ways to boost your immune system naturally. Number 1. Giloy. Giloy is a universal herb that helps boost your immunity. Giloy is also known as Amrita. Giloy helps remove toxins, purifies blood and fight against virus and bad bacteria. Mix 30 ml Giloy juice in a warm water with empty stomach in the morning. Number 2. Lemon water. Lemon is high in vitamin C and antioxidants to boost your immune system. It is also good for fat loss. It is very easy to make. Just squeeze 1 lemon in a warm water and drink it empty stomach in the morning. It is very simple, isn't it? Number 3. Turmeric and ginger tea. Turmeric has been used in India for thousands of years as spices and medicinal herbs. It has an anti-inflammatory effect and very strong antioxidants. On the other side, ginger is one of the healthiest spices on the planet. It also has anti-inflammatory effect and very strong antioxidants like turmeric to boost your immune system. Put 1 glass water in a pan, half tablespoon turmeric and sliced ginger on it. Let it boil for 5 to 6 minutes. Pour the mixture in a glass and squeeze half lemon on it. You can also use honey for taste. You can use this tea for any time in a day. But my recommendation is in the morning is the best result. Number 4. Amla. Amla is also called Indian gooseberry. Amla is an excellent source of vitamin C to boost your immune system, metabolism, bacterial and viral infection, including cough and cold. Consume amla in any form like juice, pickle or raw. Avoid too much fast food, smoking and drinking. These are bad habits to affect your immunity system. Eat citrus and seasonal fruit. Keep your body hydrated. Do exercise regularly. If you like this video, then hit the like button. If you don't, then you know what to do.